Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs on its own. This can be really annoying, but don't worry, there are a couple of simple steps you can follow to solve the problem. Let's jump right into it. To start, open Google Chrome and type google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Settings, then select Search Settings. From there, look to the left-hand side and click on Other Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Results in a new window, and make sure this setting is turned off. Disabling this option often fixes the problem by preventing search results from opening in new tabs automatically. If Chrome is still opening new tabs after turning that option off, the next thing you should do is check for updates. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Settings, then scroll down and click on About Chrome. Make sure your browser is fully up to date. If an update is available, allow it to install completely. Once the update finishes, close Chrome entirely and then reopen it. This usually resolves the issue. And that's it. After following these steps, Google Chrome should stop opening new tabs unexpectedly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.